theorem where W applies to right triangles, where one angle is exactly 90 degrees. This theorem was discovered by a Greek philosopher and mathematician named Pythagoras. While he may not be the first one to discover it, he and his scholar believe to be the first ones to give the first formal proof of it. An example of a right triangle where you use Pythagoras theorem is the 90-degree angle is exactly here, which belongs to the big letter C, or called the hypotenuse, where big letter A and B normally doesn't matter where you put it. So in this example, I will just put it here. And now for the formula, in order to get to C, it would equals big letter A plus B. And that is not only thing. They have to both be squared. In order to get A, you have to C squared plus C squared minus B. For the B one, and that is all.
So our next topic is about inequalities. Inequalities is a mathematical statement where two unequal quantities or inequality statement uses the following symbols. Now we only have 5 symbols, which are the first one is not equal, second is less than, third is less than or equal to, fourth is greater than, and fifth and lastly is greater than or equal to. So inequalities, there are 4 properties, which are the trichotomic property of inequality, transitive property of inequality, addition or subtraction property of inequality, and lastly multiplication property of inequality. Now that sums up our topic of inequality.
Here are the properties of inequality. First, trichotomy property of inequality states that for equal numbers A and B, exactly one of the following 3 conditions must be true. Example, A is less than B, and A is equals to B, or A is greater than B. Second, transitive property of inequality. It means if one number is less than a second, and the second is less than a third, then the first is less than a third, ending up in a loop. Example, A is less than to B, and B is greater than to C, and A is less than to C. And for pangatlo, yung addition property of inequality. It means you can add the same number to both sides, and the inequality stays 4. Multiplication property of inequality. It means multiply by a positive number, the sign stays the same, but if we multiply by a negative number, the sign flips. Obtuse triangle. An obtuse triangle is a triangle that has one area greater than 90 degrees. Acute triangle. An acute triangle is a triangle where all sides is less than 90 degrees. Isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle is a triangle where 2 or more sides is equal to each other.
More sides. Where the triangle has an exact
Action. One, action.
Pythagoras theorem.
So, our next topic is about inequalities. Inequalities is a math.
Oh, you got power, superpowers. Do you even know how to wield them? All God's children are special, but not like you. No, not like you.
खत्म बाय बाय टाटा गुड बाय